how are you? I'm Andrea Tran. I'm an RN and a lactation consultant in IBCLC, and I've been helping moms and babies for over 25 years with breastfeeding. So I have a breastfeeding blog, breastfeedingconfidential.com. Check it out and hit that subscribe button so you don't miss a single one of my videos with tips and tricks and all kinds of breastfeeding information. Today I'm going to do an unboxing of the Willow breast pump. Now the company sent me one so I could give it to one of my moms that I work with to try it out, and I'm going to go ahead and do an unboxing with you today so you can see what is in it. So let's see, it's got that, and there's a picture on the back. On the top it says things like goes where you go, it's quiet, no more spilled milk, easy to use and clean, pump in any position, and pump smarter because it goes with an app. So let's go ahead and open it up. And there's a little welcome note. That. And it's got some seals here that says once you break the seal, you can't send it back. So there's one on the other side. Okay. There we go. Those are the breast pumps, and they're gray with that little blue strip down them where the power controls are. There, and then there's a start here, which is a quick start guide. It says, welcome to the family. And then it tells you what you've got in here. You've got the pump, which is two parts. There's the actual electric pump part, and got these in there too. And then the flange. And there are the flex tubes, and that connects to the flange, and then they give you two little brushes, and that's, I'm assuming, to clean this flex tube and the flange. And then they give you a couple little very nicely made drawstring pouches to put the pumps in for traveling. Got a bag of bags. They're 24, 4-ounce volume. So right there, and it says that you should get the app. Okay, and then it'll explain how to get started. Then it looks like there is a longer instruction manual that goes through everything step by step. Okay, and then there is the power cord. And it looks like you plug it in here, and of course you put that in the outlet. The other thing I noticed is at the bottom here, there is an R, so I'm going to guess that this one is L. So there's one for each side. So let's see how we would go about. Comes apart pretty easily, and let's put the bag in it. Okay. You take the flange off. It comes with a 24 millimeter flange. You can order a 27 millimeter. Those are the only two size flanges it comes with. So if you have smaller nipples or larger nipples than that, then this probably is not going to be a good pump choice for you. So to put the bag on, you push that blue part and that drops down. And then you get the bag, and on one side it says this side up, and you get the flex tube. The flex tube connects to this part of the flange. So push it all the way on there, and then there's like a couple grooves for it to slide into, and it clicks into place. And then you get this, and you put that side, it says this side up, so it's going to lay on there like that, and then this is going to come over the top and clip into place like that. And then you push the bag down. There are these like little notches that are going to hold it in place, and then you put that little door back up and push it down. And if you guys have seen my videos before, you know I have a breast model that I use. I'm going to call her Betty Boob. So you would take the flange, you would go ahead and put that on so you can make sure that it's centered. And then you're going to attach the pump, the electric part. And let's make sure it's on. Then you press the arrow up here. And you know what, I'm going to get closer to the microphone because I want you to hear the sounds that it makes. So now, I don't know if you can see it, but the light is flashing. So that means that something wasn't right. So take it off and turn it on. Press the arrow. You can hear it's making some noises. This is like the first cycle it goes through, and you hold it in place. Can you hear that sound? So it's kind of a fast sound. So it kind of goes through a couple little noises, and then once it's in this sound, then you can go ahead and just let it go. You don't have to keep holding it. You could just put in the other one. And then once your milk lets down, it starts making some other sounds. So once you're all done, you have to go through this procedure so that it will draw milk out of that flex tube. And since I don't have any milk in there, I can't really do a demonstration of that. But that is the Willow breast pump. I will have the mom that I'm working with try it out, and then I will come back and let you know what she thought of it. And again, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and check me out on breastfeedingconfidential.com.